How to complete identity verification on TikTok. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be walking you through the steps to complete identity verification on TikTok. If you want to get that blue verification badge, follow these steps closely. Let's get started. First, open up the TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen to go to your profile. Next, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. And from the menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the settings, tap on Account and look for the option that says Switch to Business Account and tap on it. Follow the prompts by tapping Next on the following pages. You might need to choose a category that best fits your content, like gaming for example. You may be asked to provide an email address and a bio. You can fill these out or skip them if you prefer. Tap on Create Now or maybe later, then close the setup by tapping on the X in the top left corner. Go back to the three-line menu and select Business Suite. Tap on Business Page and join it to activate the Business Page feature. Return to the Business Suite and tap on Need Help. Look for the option related to a blue verification badge. Tap on What is a verified badge? Then choose No and follow by selecting Need More Help. Fill out the form that appears, stating that you want to have your account verified. Make sure to include your TikTok username and email. You'll be asked to upload a screenshot of your profile page, so take a screenshot and upload it. Hit submit and wait for TikTok to review your request. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to getting verified on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, although the process might seem a little complicated, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.